Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so excited to review two products, two amazing wet and dry vacuum cleaners by DREAME. These are DREAME WD vacuum cleaners. I've got the G10 series and I've got the G10 Pro and the G10 Combo. While the G10 Combo completely blew my mind because the G10 Combo, it's 2-in-1. It's a stick handheld vacuum as well as it's a wet and dry vacuum, the one that literally cleans everything off your floors, and it's one motor for both of them. This is a genius design. I've never seen or even heard of something like that, so there is no need to buy two products. You buy one and you got it all. It saves your space, it saves your time, and it saves your money for sure because you're getting the combo. This is why it's called the G10 Combo. I absolutely love the G10 Pro as well. Well guys, can't wait to show you all the capabilities of these two and talk to you about all the high technology. Now well guys, let's get started. So guys, let's get started with the G10 Pro. So this one is coming with an impressive 16 kilopascal mighty suction ability, which can easily pick up any type of a wet or dry mess. So it doesn't matter if your pet made a mess, if your kid made a mess, G10 Pro gonna take care of that. It also has a fantastic battery runtime. It can do up to 35 minutes, which is gonna cover 2,200 of square feet space, which this is our entire house of 2 floors of 4 bedrooms. So that's way more than enough, which to consider, I personally usually use this type of wet and dry vacuum cleaners to clean a specific mess or to clean just a small area or one room. But if you are one of these people that use this to clean your entire house, you're pretty much covered. It provides a beautiful edge-to-edge cleaning ability on both sides. It has a one press to switch between multiple modes, so it has 4 different modes to choose from, and the modes are standard mode. This is when the machine operates at the medium power of its ability. Turbo mode. This is the max suction power and water flow for these really stubborn stains on the hard floors. Then you have the quiet mode. The vacuum will operate at low power and it's going to be extra quiet. And then you have a suction mode, which means only the dry vacuuming gonna activate it and it won't use any water to wash your floor with a wet vacuum. So you definitely have just a regular dry stick vacuum inside of this device too. And I love the multi-modes because you can choose with whatever works for you right now. If it's a heavy mess, we'll obviously go with the turbo. If you don't want to wake up anyone, if your baby's sleeping or napping, well, you have the quiet mode to work with. And in general, this one is easy to navigate, easy to maneuver with this one, even to the deepest and the darkest corner. Also, it has an amazing self-cleaning function, so it's going to clean itself. You have a one press button self-cleaning function with fresh clean water, which gives a complete hands-free maintenance. Also, it have a bi-directional rotation brush, which means that you're gonna get even better results with cleaning your floors. It is coming with an impressive clean water tank of 900 milliliters, while the market standard is usually around 700. This one just gives you about 200 milliliters extra. So this large clean water tank will give you less trips to exchange to refill your water. And it has a dirty water tank of 700 milliliters. Works with a dual-sided edge cleaning ability. I love this model so very much. Now guys, let's move on to the next model. And this is the G10 Combo. Now, this model totally blew my mind. It is amazing because you are getting a wet and dry vacuum cleaner as well as a regular stick vacuum cleaner in one. How amazing is that? All that you need to do is to switch the motor between both of them while the motor is being charged on the wet and dry cleaner. But once you want to use the stick vacuum cleaner, then you just simply take it out of your wet and dry cleaner and move it to the stick vacuum cleaner and badam, like da-da-da-dam, you've got two vacuums in one. How genius this type of a design is that? There is no need to go and buy 2 vacuums. You can just buy one and you'll have it all inside. This is a truly all-in-one, like all possible vacuum abilities all in one. How amazing is that? Now the DREAME G10 Combo comes with an impressive 16 kilopascal power suction ability, which is extra impressive because the standard on the market for the same price range of wet and dry vacuums is 6 kilopascals only, which means that DREAME G10 combo is actually giving you 10 extra kilopascals of power for the same price range as Otter, which is about 2.5 times more than, once again, Otters at the same price range. How impressive is that? It works with an edge-to-edge cleaning design, which is a single-sided type of a design, and it works absolutely amazing. It has an impressive battery runtime of 35 minutes on the standard mode and of 50 minutes on the quiet mode, while Otters for the same price range will give you less, about 10 minutes less than DREAME. So this is a 2-in-1 combination cleaning. It is a cordless floor wash plus a full-size vacuum cleaning all in one. It has a large capacity dual water tanks, so it comes with a 900 milliliters of clean water tank, while Otters at the same price range on the market gives you 500 milliliters of water tank only, almost double the size, which means almost twice less trips to refill your clean water tank water. How? I mean, amazing is that? Just easing your life. And then the dirty water tank comes with 700 milliliters, while Otters on the market, same price range, gives you usually around 450 milliliters average, and DREAME just gives you more once again. The water tank's capacity is really important because it holds more to clean more and, to run longer your vacuums. Also, it has the to-the-edge cleaning ability, so it's giving you a way better cleaning performance, and cleaning abilities of this vacuum are better, as well as it's excellent at cleaning these hard to reach areas. It also has an effortless self-cleaning ability, so just with a press of one button, it's gonna clean itself with fresh water to be sure that your device is ready to work again next time. This one also has 4 different modes to work with: standard, turbo, quiet, and suction. So same idea as the G10 Pro. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. Let me know what you think. I honestly think it's a genius design. Also from my experience, as I tested these two, as I tried these two out, oh my god, both of them works so very well. They can clean any type of a mess. They're lightweight, so it's easy to navigate. It's easy to maneuver with them all around your house. They can easily get to even the darkest, the deepest corners of your house, and it's just a pleasure to clean with them. The extra strong suction ability really helps as well. The 16 kilopascals are an amazing addition. I also really love how easy they are to grab. You have the station and you just grab this one, turn it on, and start cleaning whatever mess your toddler or your pet or you yourself or anyone from your family made. That type of vacuum cleaners, they definitely must prevent so many fights in between the family of who's going to clean the mess, because mess, it's not a problem anymore. It's so easy just to grab and clean it, so anyone can do it, even a child. So if you want a happy marriage, definitely need one for your wife or for yourself for sure. Outside of that, obviously if you're single, definitely will work best for you too. Guys, be so very sure to check DREAME out. I will leave you all of their products, both of them, G10 Pro, G10 Combo, down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as I'll leave you any possible discount codes, promotions, sales, any possible way to save some money of yours, so don't snooze because you're gonna lose. I mean, everyone knows that, especially with all these deals. Right now we are in springtime, spring sales, the Amazon Prime Day is coming, so lots of sales during this period of time. It's definitely worth it to check out the description box. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. That was actually all for today, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.